been nice all day and now it's raining.
It's like pushing a cow, eh? Kind of a gloomy day today. We're gonna go out, maybe do some sledding, maybe. For sure visiting some friends. And Leilani's out taking her ferrets for a walk. Very windy. Yeah, but they don't seem too bad. I mean, they're out here in their bare feet, just like I am. And my feet are cold.
That's because they're ferrets. Look how his tail is.
Do you miss your ferrets, young lady?
Yeah.
You like walking with them?
Yeah, like how funny. Okay.
Oh, you're making giant chicken feet? Let me see.
I do like that.
Some giant bird feet. A giant bird was here. You have to remember to bring your snowboard because we're going to go somewhere with a hill today.
Okay, we'll get a couple other things. Let's bring like... Okay, okay, we'll bring that. And
Bring that one?
Yep,
Okay.
and a couple...
Yeah.
That one, you can't get it.
Okay, well, let's call it GT. I'm going to go inside and thaw my feet. Oh, I should probably move the bus. It got stuck there a few days ago, but it should be able to move now. Well, it actually started. Normally this thing does not like to start in cold weather. I miss our older bus. The big black one that we had not only started reliably, it never got stuck. This thing gets stuck so easily. You got to get some more weight in there. Put your foot on the brakes. Yeah, put your foot on the brakes. Don't you want to drive? For the camera.
No.
Angelica, all you gotta do is drive forward and back. No. I don't know if it's gonna drive anyway.
I'm only gonna drive cars, not buses.
Yeah.
They're driving planes. You're stuck in the dirt, Daddy. Let me push. It's too hard. I'm over here.
No, we need to get a shovel and dig all this out. Or we could, how about we wait till spring and let it melt? The bus ain't going nowhere. Let's just let it melt. I was just telling Mommy how convenient this new camera is. The only thing more convenient would be if it was embedded in my hand and I could just make it come out and record whenever I need to. What do you think of that?
Inspector Gadget. Josh is about to go down.
Hey, watch out, I'm gonna try and stand this up. I'm gonna go down this giant hill.
He's gonna go down a giant hill.
I'm having trouble just getting on the thing.
Good thing it's not a dangerous hill.
I might go backwards. What are you doing?
He's going down a really big hill.
This is not, I'm not flexible enough for this. Let's get in. It's been nice all day and now it's raining. What? It was nice all day, now it's raining.
Dad still has a lemur in her mouth.
Yeah.
Daddy saved the baby.
Daddy's gonna end up flopping the baby.
Climb. Climb with your hands. Come on, baby. We can make it.
I don't like this snow.
This one.
Oh, Daddy saved the baby.
We turned around. Oh. That wasn't supposed to happen.
Me too. It's fun.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
You want to be in the video? You want to be in the video?
I'm going alone.
Okay, you're going alone? Hold on tight.
Okay, ready?
Hold on. Oh, I think you were faking that.
Now should I go? You have to go slide.
Okay, go Angelica.
Yeah, go ahead.
You think we can go slide?
No, none of them have made it really survive yet.
You're overacting.
Just use it as a sled.
Yeah, that's what it's for.
Okay, hold on, Angelica.
I'm curious.
Have fun.
Hey, Dad, are you coming?
No, I'll let you guys go
Need to go,
first.
Josh?
No, no, not with a bunch of kids. I'll fall on them. I'll
Can
hurt
they
you.
just sit
bounce
on
on
it?
it?
Can they actually just sit on it? Can they go down like that, or once they?
We'll find out.
We've never done it before.
Don't let your feet out of that spot.
Keep your feet up.
Yoo-hoo!
We should have had a rope on it.
Yeah, a rope would be a good idea. Let me just pull
Where's
it back
the
up.
other kid?
Hey, I thought 3 kids went down.
It's a time warp.
Here she goes.
We lost one.
She's doing pretty good.
Woo-hoo!
Okay, you ready to go?
I'm ready to go. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, can I get inside it?
No. This thing weighs as much as you do. Might have to give us a push.
Okay.
Hold on.
It's like pushing a cow, eh?
I'll take it now.
The snow's... That was unimpressive.
It's fun going down, but it isn't always the funnest coming up. And that tire is extremely heavy. Glad it's him and not me. Tired?
That's exhausting. Exercise. I wasn't built for it. Manual labor. It's not for me. I'm stuck in it too.
Woo! Woo!
Back, I don't want to hit you.
Then get ready. Hold on. Keep your feet up. Keep your feet up. There's Mommy up at the house. Kids absolutely love this. Oh, look, they came off. Never seen it rain while sledding before.
I need 3 thumbs up.
How was that? Your first tube ride? Is that your first tube ride?
Yeah. So
Leilani?
Ew!
Leilani? Yeah, you slid through poo? Okay. How was that? Is that your first sled ride? You like that?
So see, I do need lead.
Look out! Oh, I was trying to do the as an automatic land. You try?
Sure.
Got it out. Actually, how cool it actually worked, and how I went back looking for another.
Oh,
And I
okay.
thought we could chase each other or do
Yeah.
something. They were all gone.
I bought 2 of the same ones once, and you couldn't do
Yeah.
I couldn't because the remote would control both of them. So you have to make sure that they're ones that you can change the station.
Weird. I never thought of that.
But if it has an option to change channels, then you're
Yeah.
okay.
I'm guessing not. It's like this. But
Yeah.
Santa picked out a really good one. That's for sure.
Ian.
Oh! Yep. Well.
Is that pink thing from it?
I don't know. I was thinking, but it's flying.
What is the auto land button?
I don't know. I forget. Right hand, index finger.
You're not very good with this thing.
Well, this is my first time.
Pretty good.
That's just get away
I
from
think
me!
it's index finger, or down on your left hand. Down on your left hand.
I was on the ground! Put me on the ground!
They have this
I almost got it into the kitchen without hitting the wall yet. Oh!